how to get the fingerprints out of your stainless steel refrigerator. So this is something that, you know, is very tedious to do because you have to put so much pressure in rubbing it out. But I've found a solution that is natural, not using harsh chemicals, and that is safe to use for our stainless steel refrigerators. So as you know, if you have young children or even yourself, you know, we constantly go in and out of a refrigerator and our hands are touching all over the refrigerator. Sometimes it's wet, sometimes we have food on it, so we have to get these fingerprints out. So you can see right here, I've already done the top, but if you notice right here, there's some prints on my refrigerator here. So I'm going to show you what I use. So to get the prints out, you need some baking soda. You need a microfiber cloth for putting the baking soda on. And you also need a dry dish rag to buff it out and to dry it off. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I do. So first of all, my microfiber cloth is damp. Actually, it's wet, but I wrung it out. And I'm gonna just dip a little baking soda into my rag. So just like this, I put my finger here, I'm dipping just a little, just like that. And I wanna kind of rub it into the rag just like so. And now we're gonna apply just that part onto the fingerprints. So let's start going. Here we go. So I'm gonna rub everywhere that I see these marks. And you want to put some pressure, not too much, but just a little, just to make sure you get those prints out. So when you're rubbing, because the baking soda is white, you might see this white residue, but this is why we're gonna wash our rag. We're gonna wash this rag out, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna wipe again with my microfiber cloth, and then I'll use my dish rag. Okay, so I've washed the baking soda from my microfiber cloth. Now if you notice, I already see that these marks are already gone. Take a look. Let's take a close look. So now, just to wipe the residue of that white baking soda off, I'm gonna just use this damp cloth again, just like so. Put a little pressure again. And now I'm going to buffer it out with my dry dish rag. And also applying some pressure while you're doing this. And there we are. Look at that. If you see any mark, you could just put a little pressure again, just like so. And there we are. Getting all the prints out of your stainless steel refrigerator without using harsh chemicals. I'm all about natural products, so I definitely wanted to show you guys this because I know it's, you know, it works. So try it out on your stainless steel appliances, not only your refrigerator, but if you have other stainless steel appliances, you can also use it there as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know if this worked for you.